Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your remote not working on your Roku device. And this is actually rather easy to do. Turn around the remote and then remove one of the batteries. And we wanted to press in all the buttons and go up and down the remote about 10 times. And just press everything in. Maybe there's some Mountain Dew stuck in there and everything's just sticking. And do the side buttons. And we're just going to try to loosen up the buttons and press them in pretty good, just in case. Then turn around the remote and just give it a few taps just like this to dislodge anything. Then put the batteries back in there, and we want to reset the remote. So you might have the reset button inside around here. You can just press that button and it should reset the remote. But if you don't have the reset button, you want to press the home button and the back button and you can reset your remote. So let's go ahead and just do that right now. And you should see a light come on in the top right corner. So it's looking for a device to connect to in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Then also maybe it could be your Roku device. So just press the reset button on the Roku device or unplug it from the wall outlet. So I'm just going to do that real quick. And my Roku device will reset right now. And hopefully my remote now will be connected and paired. Also, check out your batteries. Maybe you have old batteries inside your remote. So you can just try replacing them. Or just take them out and just flip them around. Put the right battery in the left side. And just see if you can get it to work. So now it should reconnect now. And we can just press the home and the back button to reconnect it if it's not. So it looks like it's working good for me. But just the back button and the home button will reset it. And you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.